Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is GB Winging It. Just finishing up at the office, and I get to get on and ride. Let's do this correctly. Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is GB Winging It, and today, after a long day of work, I get to ride this beautiful machine. What a stress reliever. What a beautiful way to end your work day. Oh, what a mess. Oh, it feels good to be out of the office and on my way in. This morning started out at about 5:20 this morning, and it was a cold. Are you listening to me, guys? It was a cold 41 degrees, and it was a real feel of 41, but on this motorcycle it felt like 21. It was downright cold. There was no sunlight, nothing. Cold. I had the heated gloves on, and had the heated grips, had the heated seat, had the heated jacket on. I'm actually plugged in right now. I do not have my heated gloves on now because it is currently about 54, and it's still very cold out. But what do you want? What do you want? You want an opportunity to ride, and that's what we get. Yeah, that's what we get, and you gotta love it. Maybe this will be an engine-only run, and we won't call it sport mode. I mean, in all fairness, we are doing it in tour mode. Let's get into econ mode and slow it down so I can talk to you good folks, because the leaves are turning. Huh, looks beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, you know, I really do believe it's the sun that's really forcing this slowdown. If it's not the sun, then it's a huge puddle of water or a tree down. It's always something. But hey, I get to talk to you guys today. Guys, I ever tell you how much I love this showy Neotech 2 helmet? That inside visor really aids in helping with the sun, supplementing the glasses that I have on, and the sun is really something fierce. I don't know how well the camera is picking this up, but I can understand why the traffic is moving the way it is. A two-wheeled friend. Yeah, I can certainly understand why. I, for one, do not like to be a sitting duck in this business, and I do like to keep it moving. So, judge me if you want. I will be in and out. Looks like a Rebel. Maybe a Rebel 500? You guys know lane splitting is not legal in New York. It just isn't. Do we do it? Speaking for myself, absolutely. I do it. Hey, I could say that I do it religiously at some points. And after getting tapped from the rear, I'm even more lane splitting minded. I will gladly take that ticket than getting my ticket punched and being thrown out of here because some distracted motorist. So yeah, I go to the front with the quickness. But today, for whatever reasons, mainly because I'm talking to you guys, I will play nice. Big shout out to that winner of the $2 billion lottery out of California, where you get to split. You can buy all the motorcycles you want now. Hey, buy yourself a huge house full of motorcycles and ride them and pick which one you want to split traffic in. Remember, it's illegal there. We catch a break. Our exit. Oh, we catch a break. Boy, was that sun blinding. You guys still with me? Guys, get out there and ride your motorcycles. This is GB Winging It, and I am out.